Imagine you're sitting in a buzzing office in 1991, where quality improvement isn't just a buzzword but a lifeline. H.J. Harrington walks in, holding a thick binder titled Business Process Improvement. He's about to reveal how giant industrial practices can revolutionize service sectors, banks, hospitals, even government offices. But here's the catch. Can you really transplant manufacturing tricks to messy, unpredictable service worlds? The answer is buried in a step-by-step system waiting to be unlocked. So how do you decide which part of your business process actually makes or breaks customer satisfaction? This is where Harrington shakes things up. He starts with customer needs, not internal guesswork. At a Midwestern bank in 1988, Harrington's team interviewed actual customers, uncovering their frustration with slow loan approvals, not interest rates. This epiphany shifted the bank's focus from pricing to speeding up loan processing, flipping their service quality upside down. Think of your business as a living organism. Processes are the veins and arteries pumping value. Harrington compares it to a city's traffic system. If main roads jam, everything stalls. By mapping these arteries, you can find choke points starving customers of your service. To tackle these choke points, Harrington recommends process owners handpick teams responsible for fixing issues end-to-end. In one company, a team led by a young plant manager cut paperwork time by half, simply because they were empowered and trained to make decisions on the spot. Everybody hates red tape, but what if you could slice through it systematically? Harrington doesn't just rant, he offers a surgical toolkit to kill paperwork monsters and simplify processes without chaos. At a Chicago insurance office, Harrington found 12 signatures required before a claim was processed, each adding days. By trimming signatures down to 4 and automating approvals, claims went from 10 days to 3, delighting customers and slashing overhead. Harrington likens value analysis to cleaning your garage. You sift through every item, deciding if it's junk or a gem. Work simplification means tossing the junk steps that don't add value and reorganizing the good stuff for easy access. When a hospital in New York applied these methods, patient check-in time dropped by 60%, reducing stress for staff and patients alike. Better yet, fewer errors cropped up, proving speed and quality aren't enemies but perfect dance partners. Once you cut and optimize, how do you keep that momentum, avoid slipping back into chaos? Harrington's answer: measurement combined with certification to lock gains in permanently. Harrington recounts a call center that started tracking customer hold times and first call resolution rates daily. This real-time pulse kept the team laser-focused, a game-changer compared to monthly vanity reports that hid chaos until it exploded. Meticulous documentation became the call center's secret weapon. Every tweak, every win was recorded in vivid detail, not just to brag but to teach new hires and share successes company-wide, creating a culture hungry for improvement. Finally, the company earned American Society for Quality certification, a badge that wasn't just bragging rights. It demanded continued performance or risk losing it. This kept everyone honest and hungry, cementing a fresh, agile culture rooted in data and pride. Remember our office scene from the start? That binder isn't just paper, it's your secret weapon against chaos and confusion. Harrington's blueprint shows you how to listen hard, cut deep, and measure smart. Try this: pick one bottleneck in your workflow today, map it, and rally a small team to own fixing it. You'll be surprised how fast simple focus turns into real transformation. Subscribe for more book summaries like this one.